Rylan Clark has pulled out all the stops in his new kitchen, which looks like it should be in an interior design magazine. The Strictly It Takes Two presenter recently renovated the space in his swanky Essex patent from the stunning snaps. It seems there was no expense spared. The gorgeous kitchen features no less than 4 ovens, voice-controlled lights and the ultimate celeb necessity, a champagne fridge. There is also a striking white quartz island over which hangs tasteful bronze lampshades. On top of the quartz piece is a huge jar of pink and white marshmallows, which set off the kitchen's sultry grey color scheme perfectly. Of course, the most decadent part of the designedly dream space has to be the champagne fridge. Rylan told The Sun, "It's really tough to say my favorite part of the kitchen, but I love my drinks fridge." Growing up, I used to love watching Absolutely Fabulous and always wanted a champagne fridge. The Radio 2 presenter recently shocked fans when he announced he was getting rid of old teeth. Rylan's gleaming white veneers have been his trademark for many years, but now has gone for a more natural look. The 33-year-old took the opportunity to show off his new gnashers as he hosted Friday's edition of Strictly It Takes Two. The presenter teased fans about his new smile on Wednesday when he showed off his swollen face after having his veneers replaced. As he opened the BBC Two show on Friday, Tom Fletcher and Amy Dowden told Rylan his teeth looked great. However, some viewers couldn't tell the difference between Rylan's old and new gnashers. One person posted, "Are those Rylan's new teeth? They just look the same. Or am I wrong? #It Takes Two." Writing on Twitter, the presenter said, "After 8 years. It hurts so much that sometimes you just have to let go. I've taken the decision to say goodbye to my teeth." Laughing emoji, new smile imminent, smiling emoji. Rylan has made a welcome return to his presenting gigs, having taken a hiatus in the summer after his marriage to Dan Neil ended. The much-loved star made the decision to change his stage name after the couple's heartbreaking split. In June, the presenter confirmed he and Dan were separating after 6 years of marriage. Strictly It Takes Two airs weekdays at 6:30 p.m. on BBC Two.